Hello everyone from Cyberworld. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poorman.
And I'm Richard, also known as Mr. Poorman.
This week we introduce our video from Turtle Bay Resort. Welcome back and thank you for joining us. This week we're going to show you how we made our printer stand.
So as she mentioned, we made this printer stand this week and we wanted it to match as closely as possible to our clock here that we have hanging. As you can see, it's a rustic wood. It wasn't something that's real easy for us to duplicate. So we tried something that actually worked out by fluke or intentional. Something along the lines, but anyhow, we're going to show you how we went about doing this. Let's take a look.
We start this project off with simple blueprints and a quick trip to the brick and mortar store for the wood.
Man, honey, that's sure a lot of wood to unload.
Wait a minute.
Wait, don't you do that to me.
No, watch this. It worked.
We can't fit whole sheets of wood in our little car, so we had the store cut it down to size that would fit in our car, and we did the fine-tuning cutting at home.
For this project we used pocket holes, so we drilled all the parts. Next comes the assembly. I know you're pretty tall. Don't bump your head. It looks like everything is squared up.
I cut some scrap wood to use as spacers for installing the drawer pullouts.
My husband is having way too much fun. We want the stand to match the color on the clock.
Although this is not the color that we actually want, we start off by applying teak oil. While the teak oil is drying, I cut some thin strip to use as trim. It was late at night and I didn't want to wake up the neighbors with power tools, so I went old school. I used a ton of glue. Then my brad nail gun to install the trim. I then marked and installed the legs on the bottom of the stand. Next, I drilled holes for the cables to go through.
We sanded the teak oil off and applied the stain.
We knew in some places the teak oil would prevent the stain from holding.
And when we wiped the stain off, it left a rustic appearance. Once the stain dried, we added polyurethane. We then added cable clips and we were done. If you like our video, it really helps us out to subscribe below.
Next week, we've got a few different projects going on at the same time. Not sure which one's going to get done first, so whichever one's done first is the one that we're going to be showing you next week. So until then,
bye-bye.